Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find the best Instagram filters. Whether you are looking to spice up your selfies or add some creativity to your stories, I have got you covered. Let's dive right in and make your Instagram game stronger than ever. First, go to a camera option. Here you can see already used Instagram filters, and if you want more of them, tap on the effects icon, and here you can find effects that you want, and here you will get the recent effects that you have saved. In this search bar you can search for your Instagram filters, whatever you like, black and white, cherry, pink, whatever you want, and here you will get the saved filters that you have already used or saved by you. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And hey, if you have any questions or want to see more content like this, drop a comment below. See you in the next video. Happy filtering!